Hello viewers, good day to you all. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel and also those who are following me through Facebook. If you can remember, in our previous class we discussed on mixture where we see a mixture is made up of two or more substances physically joined together. And in today's class, we are going to see some example of mixture with the constituents substances they entails and some percentages of some substance in that mixture. Now, the best example we have is seawater. And this seawater, there are some there are some substances that made up of this salt water. Now, we have water. In seawater, we have water. We have common salt. We have common salt. And also, after this salt, and we'll have other dissolved gases. We have other dissolved gases. We have other dissolved gases and minerals. Also, so now, water is a substance. Common salt is a substance. Dissolved gas is a substance. Minerals is a substance. So now, all these substances are the ones that you can physically join together and form seawater. And if this happens, so we have mixture. So now, you can easily separate seawater. You can easily separate water, common salt, and some minerals from seawater by either filtration. If you can filter, you can crystallize, you can distill, you can boil it, you can do many physical method of separation by applying separation techniques. So also we have what you know as air. Air is also a mixture. Now, we have nitrogen, and this nitrogen in air, you can see nitrogen, which is almost to about like 78% in the atmosphere. Nitrogen is the element that have like is the most abundant element in the atmosphere, nitrogen with 78%, and also with oxygen they are about something like 21%. So now in still this air we can find some noble gases for about 1%. Noble gases for about 1%. So this is to tell you that air is a mixture because air is not just an ordinary air. Air is something that made up of nitrogen, oxygen, and noble gases. So in the air we are breathing or we are perceiving, nitrogen and oxygen and noble gas are there in it in form of a mixture, and we can easily separate nitrogen from air, we can separate oxygen from air, we can separate noble gases from air. So this is telling you that mixture, whenever you see mixture, they can be easily separated, and also they can be in any percentage. Sometimes this nitrogen may be in 70%, oxygen may be in 19%, also nitric acid may be there about something 0 point something percent. So irrespective of the ratio they are, mixtures doesn't concern ratio. They may always be in different ratio. Example, the air you breathe in Nigeria might not be the same with the air you may see in other nations. So this is telling you that in a mixture, they can be in any ratio, no fixed ratio. The ratio is variable. If you see nitrogen and oxygen, you may likely not see noble gases for up to 1%. You may likely see some other water vapor. Water vapor in atmosphere, they can also take the part in air. Also, soil. For soil, we have the main substance present in soil is minerals with almost minerals almost 45% of a soil. It entails what we know as mineral, and also it entails water for almost approximately 25% of water in the soil. And also we have some important organic matters that are also fine. Organic matters. Organic matters. Also, you can also see microbes. These microbes are microorganisms that are found in our atmosphere. That are found in our soil. So we have some organic matters. In these organic matters, you can see humus, you can see tapeworms, you may see some dead plants and some dead animals in the soil. So they are also part of organic matters. So these are the mixture, or these are the substances that made up in the soil. So if this happens, we can easily, or we can simply say soil is a mixture. And if it's a soil is a mixture, somebody may ask, it's a mixture of what? So we can say soil is a mixture of minerals, water, organic matters, and some microbes. So milky, we can see water, we can have water, we can have milk. Also, like in this milk entails something like sugar. It may also like have some flavor. It may also have some proteins and some other important compound. So in this same milk tea, we can have what we know as tea compound. And this compound may be caffeine, maybe tannins, maybe all those phytochemical compounds. So this is to say milk tea is also a mixture. It's a mixture of water, milk, and some tea compound. The Lipton yellow label tea we are using is also part of tea compound, and also urine. The next one is urine. Almost 95% of urine is water, with almost 95% of urine is water. And also, in our urine, we have what we know as urea. We have urea. And also, apart from urea, we have some dissolved chemicals. But these are the main component of substances that can found in what we know as urea, what in urine, and this urine may be there about 2%. So blood, blood also contains some substances, and the main thing that made up of blood is plasma, with almost like 90 something percentage. Like it may be something 50, okay, it may be 55%. 55% is plasma. Also in blood, we have also some water. We have red blood cells. We have platelets. We have white blood cells and many things. And we also have hemoglobin. This hemoglobin is the one that carries oxygen in our blood from the heart. So these are the constituents of a mixture that form their part or that are intense in different mixtures, as you can see in this video. I believe this video is helpful. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, comment, also subscribe and follow for more. Thank you. Love you all. See you in the next class.